notice a couple things about these sound focus spelling sheets. So this is the sheet I prepared as the teacher. And then before I made copies for my students, I added in some extra scaffolds for my students. So the sheet that I prepared as the teacher, you'll notice that I have the skill at the top. I have my words already planned out and my sentences. I know we wing these a lot of times, but if I was trying to come up with the sentence for number 3 oat on the spot, I would have wasted a bunch of time and lost the flow of the sound focused routine. And over here, you can see that I have a sound boxes that the students won't need. That's an additional scaffold that could be taken away. I have also indicated when there are multiple letters for one sound. So that's also here. You'll also notice that for my pre-planned sentence, the boat can float, I have added lines so the students know how many words. Again, this scaffold could be removed as time goes on and students show they no longer need it. The sound focused spelling assessment, I would start with step 1, which is giving them the word. I would say, your first word is boat. Say boat. Have the students repeat the word. 2, I'm going to use the word in my pre-planned sentence. So I would say, at the lake, I ride in a boat. Step 3, and the most important step of the sound focused spelling routine, is I'm going to have the students segment the word. So I will say, please segment the word boat. Students would go b, o, t, tapping in the boxes as they give each sound. Step 4 is having them find o, t, tapping in the boxes as they give each sound. Step 4 is having them finally spell the word. So they've tapped and now they spell b, o, t. And sometimes I like to have them rewrite the word without the sound boxes and the extra spaces so that they know that when it's written normally, it does not have these large gaps. All the steps together for number 2. Please say the word cloak. Students say cloak. The wizard wears a cloak. Please tap out the sounds to the word cloak. K, o, k. Please spell the word cloak. K, o, k. If you want, please write the word without the sound boxes.